Well guys, I'm here and I'm going to show you a ab routine to work your obliques and get that V-cut line. Simple ab workout to get your obliques, your fingers and also your V-line, right? First of all, there is no point doing ab exercises if you're eating crap, right? They'll never show, so you have to at least eat healthy to get them showing, right? So, first of all, what I want you to do is get the heaviest kettlebell or dumbbell you can physically lift, and then, right, you get a dumbbell or a kettlebell, as I've got one, and automatically your shoulder will slant on the weight. And it's like, what you want to do if you're starting off and you're not that strong is all you want to do is correct it so your shoulders are straight again, and straight away it will start working that side. You can stand here as long as you want, like, and until it hurts, and then change over, and that's the simplest way to work it without doing anything. You can do it in between sit-up exercises or workouts and whatever you're doing. If you want to up it one and work it a bit more, do this, and it will work even more, because as you're lifting the weight that one side and you're crunching down, automatically you will feel it because the weight is so heavy that side. Also, when you're doing any core exercises, tense up the core. Don't just leave it and, like I'm doing now and doing that, because I could be here all the time. Tense your core as much as you can. Breathe out and then squeeze. Breathe in when you go back up. So out, going down, breathe in when you're going up. So it's basically and there we have it. Do 10, 15 each side, or as many as you can do. I would do this once a week because you don't want to strain your back, because it can strain your back if you do too many of it. But like if you're doing sit-ups over 3 times a week, put it in one of them, because it will work, like I said, all your abs, and it will give you that whole look eventually. And it's good even if you have missed out some crunches or doing an exercise, you know, in between. So try this. Like my page, subscribe if you don't want to miss any more content. If there's anything you want me to do as a video, comment down below, and I'll do it for you. Anyway, have a good day.